3 tips to make a great and lasting first impression. We all know that first impressions are critical, but most real estate agents don't really know how to make a great one. Hi, it's Eva Lane. Today, I'm sharing 3 secrets that will help you make an incredible first impression as a realtor, and the best part is, this will help secure more clients. These 3 tips will help you stand out from the competition and give your clients something they won't forget about when they think of buying or selling their home. The first tip is so simple, but many agents just don't do it, at least not consistently. What am I talking about? Punctuality. Always be on time. If you're meeting a client for the first time, or even if you're just showing them a property, being late kills their confidence in you. It shows that you don't value their time and that you're not organized. I like to be at least 10 minutes early to every meeting, and this has served me very well in my career. The second tip is to know your unique value proposition. What is it that makes you different from all the other real estate agents out there? What can you offer your clients that no one else can? This is important because it helps you stand out from the crowd and shows your clients that you're not just another agent. You're not a commodity. You're someone who can help them with their needs and provide uniquely effective solutions that they won't find elsewhere. I can't overemphasize how important this one is. The third and final tip is to end the meeting with a clear call to action. Never leave a meeting without setting your next meeting. After you've met with a client and had a great conversation, make sure that you give them something actionable to do. For example, ask them to email you a list of homes that they flagged on Zillow or Redfin so you can get a really strong sense of their tastes and preferences. This is great because it shows that you're interested in helping them, you're willing to work with them, and it puts you on top of mind for them. If you follow these 3 simple tips, you'll make a great first impression and convert more meetings into client relationships. I hope this helps.